What's the deal?
See you, Dad. Bye, Mom.
I haven't seen her.
I haven't seen her for ages.
How are you doing?
I'm listening. She's on.
That's RJ. Do you remember RJ? RJ, that's Dawn.
That's the hard time I remember you.
That's a baby baby.
And your wife, Josephine?
Watermelon and cheesecake for carrot.
So you like living up there? Flatland?
I don't mind it. Yeah. There's your telephone.
But we don't worry about running into mountains. So.
No.
Today,
Huh?
you know, whose birthday shall we celebrate? Chris's birthday today.
You tell them what I was teaching and what night that is.
Eric? But he is going tomorrow.
I can't believe I'm Tyson.
Honey's tomorrow. Oh, here's him.
Yeah, and who's that in front of us? There's Mr. Tony. That way. How are you? It's on the trampoline.
Oh my goodness. Oh no. There's David. What a face. David looking pretty as Hi, how are you, Tony?
God never introduced.
Hey, you didn't see us on the way, did you? We came up here like the police. Go over there and get your plate. Is there still cheese? Please. I want some of that. It's really grown up. You know that Mrs. Miranda.
Oh, I don't know. Traceability.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. Well, let's get to the company logo. G with the
I don't know what the...
Hey! That's a big trampoline. Well, wait a second, I'll get up with you. Look at Grumpy. Hey, wait.
Come here. Big kiss. Oh my God.
Okay.
Frosty, people will go to great lengths to keep us coming to see them. Come on, John. Like moving
Hello?
Hi. We never get. We go there as often as we go to your house.
How are you, Jocelyn? Yeah. Jump, David.
I don't know what happened to her.
Maybe not.
Bring her over there. Well, she has to finish her cherry that she's eating first, okay?
It's going to be
Eating the cherry.
Jump. It's going to be
Then she can.
Okay, get out.
Oh, gosh.
Let's go jump back.
Daddy, help me.
I'm going to touch him off for a
Don't jump, I will jump you.
Hey, no, you guys just jump together.
Which way are you going to go?
Hey, it's gonna fly.
Higher. Bend your knees once in a while.
more fuel.
Okay.
Knock on wood. Oh, I wonder who's here.
Oh, that's cute.
She's cute, you guys.
I can't believe it.
Oh, I think she is Betty.
She's so smart.
Oh, she's so smart. I think she's
She likes it.
That's too hot.
You alright, Kimmy?
I gotta get my shoes off. If I could be. Here I go.
Grandpa, will you go? Grandma. It's fun.
Okay, that's
This is fun.
This is fun.
Tony.
Jamie.